What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to check out how to set up direct deposits on Cash App. Alright, without wasting any time, let's get into it. The first method is using the Cash App mobile app. The first thing you want to do is to open the Cash App mobile app and then tap the balance tab on the home screen, tap deposits and transfers, then tap direct deposits, and then tap get direct deposit form. Once you have the form, you just go ahead and fill out that form with your employer information, and then you tap send to send the form to your employer. That's the first method. Now the second method is using the Cash App website. First thing you want to do is to go ahead and log into your Cash App account on the website, then tap on the balance tab, click on deposits and transfer, then click on direct deposits, then get direct deposit forms. And just like the first method, you want to go ahead and fill out this form with your employer information and then click send to send the form to your employer. Those are the two methods. Now there are some requirements, and the first is you have to verify your accounts. You got to make sure your account is verified before you'll be able to perform this. And the second is you need to ensure your employer participates in direct deposits. And the third is your routing and account numbers. You got to make sure you have the correct routing and account numbers before you'll be able to use this method. So that's pretty much it for the video, guys. I hope you found it useful. If you did, make sure you like the video. Don't forget to comment, let me know what you thought, share the video, and of course subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss another one of our awesome videos. Thanks guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.